Intro energetic music playing. On screen, montage of people working in different industries, intercut with robots, AI interfaces, and futuristic technology. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. But are robots really taking our jobs, or are they creating a whole new world of opportunity? Let's dive in and find out.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been paying attention to the news, you've probably heard a lot of talk about AI taking over jobs. It's happening in industries all around the world. Everything from self-checkout machines at grocery stores to AI writing content for news outlets. But here's the big question. Is AI really going to replace humans, or is there more to the story?
Cut 2, a quick montage of robots working in factories, AI writing articles, and automated systems running.
Okay, let's start with the fear factor. We've seen it in movies, read it in the news. AI and automation are taking over. And honestly, it's not all just fiction. Take a look at the data from recent studies. According to a 2023 report from the World Economic Forum, around 85 million jobs could be displaced by automation by 2025. That's right, 85 million. That's a lot of people potentially out of work. But wait, not all hope is lost. As scary as those numbers are, there's another side to the coin. Experts are predicting that while some jobs will disappear, many new ones will be created. And not just low-skill positions, but highly skilled, high-paying roles that we can barely imagine today. Let's talk about some of those jobs. We already have AI specialists, data analysts, and people creating the very algorithms that power AI systems. But what about industries that are just getting started? Think about this. Virtual reality architects, ethical AI consultants, and even AI trainers who teach machines how to understand human emotions. These are jobs that didn't exist a few years ago and are now popping up everywhere. So, are robots going to take over everything? Not exactly. Here's the kicker: AI is at its best when it works with humans. It's not about replacing people. It's about enhancing what we can do. Take a look at how artists, musicians, and writers are using AI to push the boundaries of creativity. AI can generate music, artwork, and even code, but it still needs the human touch to make something truly original. Preparing for the future of work means staying adaptable and continuously learning. Focus on developing skills that machines can't easily replicate, like emotional intelligence, creativity, and complex problem-solving. Embrace lifelong learning and consider exploring new fields that are emerging thanks to AI. Remember, it's not just about surviving in an AI-driven world, but thriving in it. AI is changing the world, and the future of work is going to be amazing if we adapt the right way. So don't be afraid of the robots, embrace them, and use them to unlock new potential. And hey, what's your take on AI and the future of jobs? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on how technology is shaping our lives.